Is your App Store app not working on your Apple Watch? This usually happens due to connection issues, wrong settings, or outdated software. Don't worry, in this advanced video, I'll show you how to solve the App Store not working issue on your Apple Watch. So without further ado, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you're connected to your internet network like Wi-Fi or mobile data. Turn on and off airplane mode. After doing these things, follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Turn on background app refresh. Go to the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down. Tap General. Again, scroll down. Tap Background app refresh. Simply toggle it on. If you see this feature is already toggled on, then turn it off, and after 10 seconds, back into turn on. Solution 2. Reset your Apple Watch. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. Scroll down again. Tap Erase all. Hope you got the proper solution to solve the App Store not working issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned.